Welcome back, students. Now we need to draw the normal and tangent to this curve, right? So to draw normal and tangent, select a point P anywhere on the curve. Anywhere you select a point P on the curve. So I'm selecting here a point P on the curve. Okay, na? So in order to draw a normal and tangent at any point on the curve, first select a point P anywhere on the curve. Right. So I've selected point P here. Okay, na? So this is my point where I have to draw normal and tangent to that point. Now you join that point to focus. Join PF. Join PF. Okay, na? So to this PF line, you are supposed to draw a perpendicular line from F. Okay, now draw a perpendicular line to PF line. So for that, what you are supposed to do? See how I am doing. I am taking diopter scale. I am aligning that longer scale to that line and tightening the knob, and this is the inclined line. To this inclined line, this will be the perpendicular line. So from F you are supposed to draw perpendicular line. So draw the perpendicular line. So where, see, I am showing here. Where, see, perpendicular. Wherever perpendicular line from F cut your directrix, you name that point as T. Okay. Do till here and inform. We'll continue next. Doubts, please ask. So are you done till here? Student? 401 Akhil. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Akhil.
Yes, sir.
Akhil is not there in the class.
Sir,
Just logged in and went away.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Now, so many students are posting that they are done. So now join T and P like this and extend. Join TP and extend. So this will be your tangent. For tangent, you are supposed to name it as TF. and tangent, normal, both will be perpendicular to each other. So once again, make use of drafter. You see, you align to this tangent line, fix your knob. This will be the normal line, perpendicular line. So from C, draw a perpendicular line. This is NM, normal. NM is normal, TS is tangent. To complete it, any doubts, please ask. Meanwhile, I will be giving dimension and also I will be writing the title. So please observe the way I am giving the dimension. Only one dimension, that is focus. So from F you draw a line and in that you draw the dimension line and mark the arrows. So I am drawing your, I'm indicating your dimension, that is 50. Okay, now after that, at any convenient location, draw 5 mm parallel line and write name. Okay. So students, my suggestion is to draw 2 to 3 times so that you will be having sufficient practice. Right. Don't simply draw for one time and leave it. Okay. All the 3 figures you need to practice. Whenever you get free time, just spend 5 to 10 minutes. That is enough. So I'm waiting for your response. And meanwhile, I'll take attendance and I will check the diagram. This is section 3, right? Section 3. Give your attendance, answer your own call. 401.
Present, sir.
One student is asking to explain once again normal and tangent. Join PF. Okay, na? You will get inclined line. To this inclined line, you draw a perpendicular line from F. Okay, wherever this perpendicular line intersects your directrix, name the point as T. Join TP and extend. That will be your tangent. And to your tangent, the normal will be always perpendicular. So, P, you draw a perpendicular line to tangent, then you will get the normal. Right. Akhil 401. Absent.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Next, 402.
Present, sir.
402.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Why you people are not responding? 402 present, okay, but you're not. But I couldn't hear you.
Yes, sir, I am present.
Okay, diagram 40. Okay, good. Practice once again. Very good. You are drawing neatly. 403.
Okay,
403. 403 absent. 404.
Present, sir. Sir.
4. Show your diagram. It is incomplete. Complete it. Good.
Okay, sir.
405. 415. You can stop recording.